Well, I am at Ashoka Vihar and trying to understand and configure Polycab solar inverter. So let me open my camera and this is the serial number, and the QR code is not necessary right now because I've already installed the application. The only important thing right now is the QR code, the barcode and the serial number of the inverter. And from here, I made a note in a notepad, and that's the serial number I made a note of. I'm copying it and I'm opening the Polycab, okay, and I'm doing nothing else. So I'm just trying to stay on the home page. I'm enabling my Bluetooth, okay. The other things enabled are location. If it is there, not a problem. Mobile data is on and Wi-Fi is on, okay. Importantly, Bluetooth is on. So the most important aspect is done. So you go to Bluetooth connection, and then this application normally has to scan the serial number, okay. So fail to obtain device, please scan the machine barcode. Once again it says. So instead of doing that, what I chose to do is just enter, and your connected inverters are already there because earlier I have connected it, so it is already there. I am just trying to delete that to make people understand how it is done. So now I do a scanning new device, and then there's the new device, okay, BLE020P, and it is starting to establish a connection now. So we'll just see what would happen, and this is actually starting of configuration and other stuff. So there need to be some wireless network allowing us to check and connect this device to the wireless so that the data is available across. And I guess we have already started, and there is about 1 unit that is getting generated right from almost 5 a.m. Today. So today is 21st April, and monthly we get the details, and yearly also we get the details, but most probably the data is not sufficient over a period of time. So this is how we can actually see the data. So some, and there may be some communication issues because Bluetooth, the only major thing is you need to stay very close to the device to get the data. Otherwise what happens is it will take some more time. So the pattern, I think we have started. Net metering has been connected on 11th, and today is 21st. All the days it is above 50, and it has the highest value of almost 60 units of power generated per day. There were a few rains, cloudy days, which may have got it down to 50, and there may be few other reasons where it recorded low. So the cleaning has to be properly done. That is point number 1. And under the roof on which the solar panels, if we can have it cleared and whitewashed, I think those 2 parameters will help us generate more number of units. So though I am not an expert, even I am trying to understand what happens with such kind of systems. So here is an introductory video that I hope will help many who are into this industry. Thank you.